How to use WhatsApp username. This will show you how to reserve WhatsApp username with the new WhatsApp app update in 2026. So, of course, to use the update, you want to make sure your app is updated on the Android App Store or on iOS App Store with your iPhone or iPad. Then you want to go to the bottom right hand section where it says You, then click on Account once you scroll down there. Then you want to click on the username section in the Your Account section at the bottom there. Then you should see a message that looks like this. It says usernames are coming soon, reserve yours today. You can use your Instagram username, your Facebook username, or you can click create username. So that will be a unique WhatsApp username ID that you'll have. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and click there. Then you'll need to create your untaken username, because let's say, for instance, you type in your name, someone's already taken that. So there might be a whole ecosystem around this where people claim names. So make sure you do that as soon as possible. You can suggest a username too. But once that's done, click save in the top right hand corner. Then you'll get a message that looks a bit like this saying your username is reserved. You can click done. So if you want to know how to change your username or delete it, as well, there's links to videos on screen and in the description. But leave a like if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.